staying warm with our outdoor wood boiler. Today we have one of these issues where whatever we do, none of our windows are working in the truck. And, you turn the power on, and no matter what you do, nothing works. So, what we need to do is take a look inside this switch. If you check your fuses first to make sure your fuses are good, but inside this, you'll come to see, pull this thing out, you take a look at what everything is connected. All the wires are there, connections are good. Now, if we pull this one off down here, try to get this in here. Okay. Here's what we're looking at. You can see that one terminal's burned out there. And if we look here, you could see the terminal in the middle. Let's see if I can get a good shot. Is kind of melted a little bit. So basically too much power was drawn through here and we overheated it and melted that. So we're going to replace this whole unit with another one. Now the tricky part is going to be this here isn't necessarily going to make good contact. So I may cut this all out and fix that. I might be able to just push that down and clean it up. I was thinking I may have to cut this whole little piece out of there. Let me dig into it and see what I can do. But we do have a replacement. What do you have here, Meat Man? That's our new piece?
Yeah.
All right.
So new piece?
That's all we got to do. We just have to put that piece in. Plug it in and it should kind of work once we clean this terminal up. Let's give that a... Well, now that we have our new piece here switched over, let's plug it in and see if this is going to work. We'll push that all the way in. Turn the key. Think it's going to work? Hey, look at that, the window's working. All right. That's a big deal.
Dad, we got it fixed. Dad, can I see the old one?
Why aren't the door locks working here? The mirror's working. We gotta figure out. Okay, just had to push the connector in a little better. And the locks are working, so everything's good to go now. I like it. All right. Now all we gotta do, push this thing back into place. Ta-da! And we're done. And the truck now has power windows again. Simple fix.